This is Katherine. And this is Ryan. This is Katherine's house.
This is my house.
It's a bit of a work in progress, especially her kitchen, and Katherine wants to renovate it, so Lowe and Ryan are going to help her.
We sure are.
Okay, here we go. Destination Renovation, where real customers and real Lowe's Red Vest associates work together to renovate a room.
Come on in.
Ryan, there's a lot we need your help with in Katherine's kitchen.
Sure thing. Here to help.
Some fun facts about Ryan: he's a pit bull dad and played bass in a punk rock band.
Yep, it's true.
And he knows a lot about kitchens. He's worked in the kitchen appliance section at Lowe's for 3 years, so he's the perfect person to help Katherine out.
Katherine, what do you want to improve in your kitchen?
Gosh, where do I even start? The fridge leaks. The oven doesn't have a hood. The light bulbs are just hanging from some wire. It'd be really nice to have a table in my kitchen.
The thing is, she wants to save money, so she's going to try to do some of it herself.
Does Katherine know what she wants her kitchen to look like?
Well, Katherine has spent hours gathering ideas for her kitchen, and she has a lot of thoughts.
I want it to feel warm. Gold accents. I want it to be timeless.
But Katherine is extremely indecisive. Katherine's also a single mom. This is Reese.
Reese. You just burp. This is my son, Reese. He's a big boy.
So a lot of Katherine's decisions are influenced by being a mom with a sticky, accident-prone toddler. But there are just so many options. Lucky for Katherine, her sister has an eye for design. Kinsey will be Katherine's design visionary behind this space.
Okay, so I totally think you need at least new floors. We'll start with that. Maybe some like luxury vinyl floors. Some backsplash would be good. Some light fixtures. You literally have a cord hanging down. New appliances? I mean,
Yes.
that would be awesome. I think if we even moved around the things in the kitchen, you could squeeze a table, some chairs in there, get some artwork.
Yeah, a place to sit.
Yeah.
Okay, so now that Katherine has the vision, she needs to figure out how to actually do it.
Yeah, I can't help with that.
Back to Ryan.
Okay, first let's talk flooring. You mentioned wanting tiles. We have a lot of vinyl tiles that are affordable and easy to install. We can even hook you up with professional installers to come install it for you. Would you like to try that out?
Yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly what I want.
Looks so good, Reese, look. Hello, white floors. Do you like the new floor, Papa?
Okay, next thing to knock out, appliances. And Katherine wants gold accents everywhere. Got anything for her, Ryan?
The GE Cafe line is a timeless and elegant look that will never go out of style. It has all the different types of hardware and color choices. It's a professional grade performance, but it's also really easy to use. The stove even has built-in Wi-Fi and a no preheat air fryer.
Oh gosh, these are lovely. I love them. Yes.
Great, we'll deliver and hook it up for you.
My old oven. Here she is. Sweet, sweet oven. Check this oven out. Grilled cheese sandal for the boy. Ain't she beautiful?
What else would you like to do to your kitchen?
I really want to add some tile backsplash, and I really want to do it myself.
Great,
Let me just pop in here for a second, Ryan. Katherine has never done this before.
let's start with the basics. Lowe's.com has some great resources in which can help you find which materials you'll need and how much you'll need.
All right, so here's a majority of the tools Katherine will need to DIY her tile backsplash. And here's a look at most of the materials she'll need for the project. Got it, Katherine?
I got it.
Katherine decided on a matte porcelain marble look wall tile to brighten up her kitchen. And because her sister told her to. This is your moment to shine, Ryan.
To know how much tile you'll need, you need to know the square footage of the area. To figure out your square footage, you'll need to multiply your height times your width. Lowe's has a great tool online where you can calculate how many tiles you'll need.
Probably safe to buy a few extra.
Right.
Okay, Katherine, time to get started. You sure you want to do this? Maybe you should have a friend help you.
This is Anthony.
I'm Anthony.
We got this.
We got it.
All right, take it away, Ryan.
First things first is you have to prep your space. You need to turn off the power and remove all your electrical covers. You can use painter's tape and craft paper to protect all the areas you don't want to get dirty. You want to sand it down and make sure it's smooth and make sure it's primed. All your prep work is done, now you can plan your tile layout.
Snap. Engage.
Ready.
So first things first, you're gonna mix your thin set, and then you're gonna apply just a small amount to the area you're working on.
Ryan, tell me about thin set.
Work in small sections at a time as the thin set can dry really quickly.
This is how the professionals do it.
So now that you have your thin set on the wall and you have your thin set on the back of the tile, you can now place your tile on the wall. And all you have to do is push it right into the mortar.
What do you think?
Yeah.
One thing you want to think about is how thick you want your grout lines. So with the tile that you selected, you can either go typically 1/8 of an inch or you can stack them edge to edge. If your tiles are moving or looking uneven, you can use wedges to ensure they stay in place. Perfect.
Katherine needs to cut some tiles so they fit around the window, so she bought a wet tile saw.
Ryan, I have questions. Like, why is this all wet?
The water helps cool down the tile so that way it doesn't break or overheat. Push the tile with an even, slow pressure right across until it's fully cut. There you go, that's great. See that little sharp edge right there? That's where you come in with your tile nippers and nip it right off. Okay, I think that's it for now. Let's let that dry for 24 hours.
Wow, it looks so good.
Let it be known that Katherine is exhausted.
Yeah.
But lucky for her, the adhesive has to set for a full day, so she can take a nice long break.
All right, it's time to grout.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Watch your fingers.
Grouting.
This step is pretty quick. First things first, we need to mix the grout.
Oh. Whip it good.
You really want it to be the consistency of toothpaste or peanut butter.
We
That's
nailed it.
perfect.
Apply the grout diagonally using a float and pressing the grout in between the joints.
Ryan, how long do we have until this sets up?
You gotta work quick as it sets up in about 30 minutes.
Okay. We got some time.
Wait about 10 minutes and then wipe off all your excess grout with a sponge.
Teamwork.
Rinse your sponge often and make sure you wring it out. A haze may form, but that can easily be cleaned with a haze remover. And then you need to allow the grout to dry for 24 hours.
So now that Katherine's done with the tiles, she can do the fun stuff. Katherine's painting the room a warm white to make the cabinets and tile a little more inviting. There's a slight hint of blush in this white.
Look it.
She's going to replace all the hardware too.
Got it. Ooh, looking like $1,000,000.
She also found a bunch of art from Lowe's.com and some cool light fixtures. Don't worry, she hired an electrician for that because, well, she doesn't know how to do that.
I love this.
Item 1.
I love it.
Set this in the corner.
All right, Katherine is officially done.
Just looks so good. Talk about a glow up of a kitchen.
And this is now Katherine's kitchen. And these are now Katherine's kitchen floors. This is now Katherine's stove, and fridge, and dishwasher, and sink. And these are Katherine's lights.
Good job.
Thanks.
This is beautiful
you
in here.
too.
Looks so much better than it
I
did.
didn't even have light fixtures before.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, you just had the ones hanging down.
Yeah, just a little light bulb hanging out of the ceiling.
Look how beautiful it looks now.
Uh-huh.
And now this is where Katherine and Reese have breakfast every morning.
You like having some?
Nah, just kidding. But at least now Katherine could eat at a kitchen table. And that's what matters. Right, Reese?
Thank you.
Did you say thank you?
I hope you and Reese enjoy your new kitchen. Me and all the other Lowe's Red Vest associates are always happy and eager to help.
Bye, loves. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Everything you saw in this makeover is from Lowe's and is linked in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more makeover content and leave a comment below to let us know what you think about this kitchen transformation.